how to back up data on Samsung Smart TV. So now once you are here on this main home page, go to Settings. Now from Settings you'll see various options. Swipe towards the right hand side and choose Support. Now from here choose Support again. Now from here choose Maintenance Mode. Now once you come here you'll see a description given. So you can back up and restore your data using Samsung Cloud or a USB storage device where settings such as picture mode and sound mode can be stored as well. Now over here, let's select Backup Data. From here, choose the storage method. I'm going to choose Samsung Cloud, and then at the bottom, if you choose on the option of Backup, you will be able to back up data on your Samsung Smart TV. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.